Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4, and on this Toyota RAV4 we're going to go over how you would replace your side marker light that is on this vehicle. And so to gain access, there is nothing that needs to be removed to be able to have access to replace these lights. So you have your blinker light right here. Right here, blinker light, the low beam, high beam, and daytime is right here, and then your side marker light here. So you just need to turn this quarter turn counterclockwise, and then pull it out. Oops. And then once you've pulled that out, then you can pull this light bulb out. It's just a small little bulb, but this is a size 168, and so you'll get a new 168 to be able to replace. Then line it up in the groove there, press it until it snaps in and locks in, and now you can work it back through here, line it up, and turn it a quarter turn clockwise to lock that back into place. And so that's how you replace your side marker light on your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.